welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing this mini fridge that I got. It's a retro style fridge that I got from Walmart. It was $32 and it looks super cute, so I had to get it. Main reason I got it was it's so damn cute, as you can see. Second reason I got was I was actually looking for something to store my skincare stuff. I didn't want to store my skincare stuff in the main fridge with the food because I didn't want like the food smell to go into my stuff and stuff like that. So I was actually looking for a fridge which is not small enough but not big enough, but like perfect for skincare essentials and stuff like that, and I found this, so I had to get it. So I'm gonna be opening up this box with you guys and let's start. Alright, so this is how it looks inside. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my god, look at that. It's so damn cute. I love the color. I love the retro style. I like the writing, which is like very retro and has like a little glass thing which you can see through. And I like this handle too, so it's not at all heavy. You can like carry it around everywhere you go. I like it that they've included this. Alright, so let's open the door. Ta-da! I feel like it's the perfect size for skincare essential. On the box it says that it can store like 6 cans of soda, so I don't know if it actually fits 6 cans, but I'm gonna go with what they say and it looks like it fits. But I'm gonna be using this for, you know, my stuff, so I think this is perfect. And the door is also cute, so you just like push up and then close it. So voila. So let me show you guys the back side. So this is how the back looks, and there's like a off switch and cold switch. This fridge came with a cord, so this is like an AC cord obviously, and I'm gonna be plugging this on here. Comes with this instruction manual. It comes with this car charging thing, so you can actually use this fridge in the car. You can just plug it in and use it to cool your drinks. Based on what's written on the instruction, it says like you have to plug it on and wait for like 10 minutes for it to actually start working. So I'm gonna do just that. So once you plug it in, you're gonna put on the cold switch and the green light turns on and you can hear that sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's not completely silent here. There's a little bit of noise, but it's okay. It's almost like a white noise. Alright, so it's working because I can hear the fan working. And yeah, so I guess we'll just wait for 10 minutes and let's see. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna open it and see how cold did it actually get, or did it get cold? It actually got cold. It's not a freezer, so it's not freezing cold, but it's the perfect cold temperature that I need and which will be perfect for skincare. I'm gonna just keep my stuff in here so you guys can know or get an idea of what exactly the size and how much you can store inside this fridge. I'm just gonna store a few of my stuff. I'm just gonna put my moisturizer here. And I'm gonna put my eye mask right here. This is my rosehip oil, my face roller, I think that should be fine, and my gua sha. Let's try this out. It closed! As you can see, there's much more space for like other stuff, so you can definitely store your vitamin C serum and, you know, all your essentials. Color, it's so cute. They also have it in red and blue. I wanted this color, so I just got this. And I think this fridge is perfect, especially if you're looking for something to store your skincare or something to keep it on your desk while working from home. And if you feel like having a cold drink, you can definitely grab something from this if you keep it on your desk. But I think it will be a good investment for you for $30. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.